Firstly, I want to thank members of the public for coming out in large numbers actually to vote for a leader of their choice. Secondly, I want to thank the security team for the good job done, especially during the 3 months long campaign period and the actual election day, and also managing issues after the election. As county security team, we have said that whoever has information, because the 2 incidences which happened, there could be many people there. Let them, because the DCI is here, the police commander is also here, let them report. I know the barrier is, one barrier is today. We want to tell the family pole for what actually happened. But the investigation is on. Let them report.